Your CrossWave Cordless Max works to vacuum and wash hard floors and area rugs. In this video, we'll show you how to use your CrossWave to clean area rugs. Before you begin cleaning your area rug, be sure that the brush rolls are free of excess dirt, mud, or sticky messes. Follow our cleaning and replacing the brush roll video to help you get started. Also, make sure to check your area rug for color fastness and remove any excess mud from your rug before cleaning. Turn on your machine and select the area rug mode. Then recline your machine. Each time you turn on your machine, prime it by holding the spray trigger for 10 seconds. Hold the trigger for one pass forward and one pass back. When the solution is flowing, you'll see bubbles forming at the edges of the brush roll window. Go over your area rug a second time without holding the trigger. This will help it dry faster. To stop the brush roll spinning, return your machine to its standing position. It's that easy to freshen up your area rugs using CrossWave Cordless Max.